Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful paper earring. You will need two pieces of paper, circle paper. So you will need this circle punch, the other circle punch for this part. And then we will use this that is a sort of a sticker made in form of the heart. Okay, now let's get started to create this super cute and beautiful paper earring. We will need a piece of paper. In this case I will use this one that I like very much. You will need to cut two pieces for the front face and the back. Okay, and then we will need to cut two pieces of glitter paper for this part. Voila. Now we will start to glue together these two, and we will glue this part. Voila. With some white glue, some tacky glue. You will need to glue this, voila, and leave it to dry. While this part it will be dry, we will need to glue together these two paper circle. Better to glue together if you have this kind of glue. This is a glue tape, but if you don't have the glue tape, you can use the white glue, the tacky glue. Voila. Now if you want, you can use the circle paper in this way without any glitter, but if you like the idea of the glitter, you can glitter front and back of the paper earring, and then we will attach the paper heart. Okay, here we will glitter our earring with some glitter nail polish. In this case it is in silver color because I don't have any more the blue. Voila, but I think it's okay also in this way. Now you can put this together. You can use the nail polish like a sort of glue. Voila, and we will glue this here, press down. Voila. Now while we are waiting for the nail polish to dry, we will punch a hole here in the center of this part in order to glue together these two pieces of paper. In this case we will use our white glue or tacky glue. Voila, and then here press down. Voila. Okay, and leave it to dry. Okay, now we will wait for the nail polish to dry, just 1 minute. We will see in a few seconds. Okay, now we will need to use the nail polish on the back of our paper earring, and so we will use the nail polish in this way. Voila, we will cover all the circle. Voila, here. Voila. Leave it to dry again. Okay, and so after this we will put together the two pieces of our earring. Okay, in the meantime we will punch a hole here and then here. Voila. Okay, and we will open this jump ring. This is voila. Okay, here, and we are waiting for our earring, and it's ready. Voila. Okay, now we will need to punch a hole here. Voila. Now we will connect together, our earring. Voila. Here our super cute and beautiful paper earring. I think they are so nice, so beautiful. They are so light to wear and so bright. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.